Good morning. Today is June 27th, Tuesday. Back on the mountainside again, so let's see what I can present to you guys today. Oh yeah. Just walking right here, coming down. Look up. Yeah. It's awesome. Let's go check it out. Nice. Get some pics of this big guy and get a pickup for you guys. Oh yeah. Awesome. First one for the morning. Yeah. Let's get a pickup. Nice. First human to touch hands on this antler. Pretty good size one. Got some weight to it too. Let's see if we can match them up. Oh yeah. Let's go find some bull. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just walking right here. Walking up on the side. Getting ready to head up. Up and look in the shade over here. Right there. Nice. Got a little brownie right there. The rag. Let's go check that bad boy out. Yeah. Bedding areas. This is nice. Let me get a pic and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's get a pickup. Got a little rag right here. Broken second. Nice. Check that base out. That gnarly base. Yeah. Well, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's coming right here. Checking it out. And look right in front of me right here. Yeah. Awesome. Tines down. Check that bad boy out. Laying right in the sun. Brownie. Nice. See if I can mash this bad boy up. Yeah, let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's number 3 so far. I took my bandana off a little bit. Man, it was soaked. Awesome. Just get a pickup for you guys. Yeah. Yeah, this year's browns. It's nice. Awesome. Let's see if we can match them up. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's coming down right here. Checking it out. Of course, gonna walk down that way. Looked up in front of me. Got a rag brown. I was all busted up. Got a little fighter around here. Yeah. Take a pic and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. It's awesome. It's number 4 for today. Yeah. So I got back to the truck. Put my bandana back on. It was pretty much dried out. Sweating it out like crazy though. Oh yeah. Nice. Well, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just walking down right here. Getting the side up. Something looking right in front of me. This is awesome. Yeah. Just chilling right in the shade. Oh yeah. Pretty good size one. Yeah. Let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Awesome. It's not bad. This is number 5, I think. Yeah. Let's get a pickup for you guys. Nice. Get you guys in the sun. Let's check this guy out. Yeah, pretty heavy. This is nice. Making my way back to the truck. This is awesome. Yeah. Okay, okay. Well, let's see if we can find some more on the way back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just coming down right here. Checking it out. Look down. Yeah. Let's go check that bad boy out. Awesome. Fiber. Yeah, and it's a brownie. Oh yeah. Let me get some pics of this and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Not bad. Number 6 so far. Just working around, making my way back. Making my way back to the truck. Picking up brownies on the way. Oh yeah. Let's get a pickup. Nice. Some weight. It's pretty hot. Pretty hot. It's nice. It's awesome. 6 antlers so far. Yeah. All right. Well, let's see if we can find some more on the way back. Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, just barely walking right here, coming around and walking up, and that's how far I got to it. Just right there. Probably running down on this trail right here. Oak trail. There's a broken shed. Another fighter bull. Just walking down from that way, coming up this way. Spot another one. Yeah. Number 7. Awesome. Well, let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Yeah. Good day. Very good day, but very hot at the same time. It's been ducking and dodging the heat. It's been hitting tree to tree. Trying to stay in the shade. Oh yeah, let's get a pickup for you guys. This is awesome. Busted up. Got a hole in there. Yeah. Nice. Well, I'm getting close to the truck, so see what I can present. If I can see what I can pull out, if not, I'll get a closure out for you guys. It's been a good day, a blessed day, y'all. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Not bad for today. 7 Browns. June 27th. Tuesday. Awesome. Yeah. It's not bad. Start out with a little guy in the middle. Second one I found. Yeah. Did 3 different hikes today. About 2 hours, a little over 2 hours each hike. Just checking out some areas. Not bad. I guess this was the first guy. First one for the morning. This one, big old guy, heavy one. So the last one I picked up, I think it was, or was it that broken one? Oh, it was the broken one that I picked up last. Yeah. This is awesome. Not bad. Today's June 27th. Kind of hiked a little longer because it was windy. Cooling it down a little here and there, but it was still kind of hot. It's still good though. Hitting up some areas. Cleaning up some areas I'm at. Cleaning up after everybody. It's supposed to be a popular spot. I hit it today. But, oh well. It's a good day. It was a blessed day. Thank you guys again for following along. Thank you for checking out my videos. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Throw a comment down. And I know some were asking about caps. I replied to each and every one of you guys' comments about the caps. So you guys give me a call. Oh yeah, I'll be able to send it out to you guys. Thank you guys again for following along. It was a blessed day, y'all. 7 Browns. Have a blessed evening. Take care and God bless. Oh yeah.